Good morning, students. Today we are going to see the last part of chapter Light. Friends, eyes are a wonderful gift of nature which must last for lifetime to enjoy the colorful world around us. So, we must follow some simple precautions to protect and take a good care of our eyes. That is, do not read or write or do any work in dim light or a very bright light because this can cause defective vision. If any injury is caused to your eyes, consult a doctor immediately. Do not read in moving vehicle because eyes are strained and in the long run can cause serious defects to vision. Wash and clean your eyes with clean cold water at least thrice a day. Avoid working continuously in long stretches if the work requires a close look. Do not play carelessly and avoid playing with the pointed and sharp objects which may damage your eyes. If anything gets into your eyes, do not rub your eyes. Use clean and cold water to clean your eyes and blink your eyes from time to time. Visually challenged people are those whose vision is extremely poor or they are blind. They are unable to see because either their cornea, eye lens, retina, or optic nerve fails to perform its function properly. Blindness can be congenital or acquired. In congenital blindness, a group of diseases and condition occurs in childhood or early adolescence of below 16 years old, which, if left untreated, results in blindness or severe visual impairment that are likely to be permanent blindness later in the life. This is due to the reason of eyelids becoming opaque before birth or sometimes pregnant mother who takes some medicine which causes this defect in the child in mother's womb. Next is acquired blindness, which can be due to the damage of retina due to wrong methods of treatment of eye disease. Sometimes, due to accident, optic nerves can be damaged, which can cause a disease called glaucoma. This disease is caused because of the increased pressure by the fluids in the eyes. Cataract. Sometimes in old age, the eye lens becomes cloudy or opaque, leading to blurred or dimmed vision. If not corrected in time, it can also lead to loss of vision. This can be corrected surgically or by laser, and an artificial lens is planted in place of removed defective lens. Visually challenged people make use of other senses like sense of touch and hearing or man-made aids to identify things. These aids can be categorized into two types: non-optical aids and optical aids. Non-optical aids includes visual aids which helps in providing the required size of words, appropriate light intensity and material at proper distances for people whose vision is extremely poor. Auditory aids use the sense of hearing. They include tape recorder, CDs, talking books, etc. Tactile aids uses the sense of touch. They include braille writer, slate and stylus which helps the people to read and write. Electrical aids such as talking calculator, CCTV, audio CDs, voice boxes with computer are included. Then comes optical aids, which can be used in case of curable blindness or people whose vision is extremely poor. These aids includes lenses of different kinds such as bifocal lens, contact lens and tinted lenses to correct the visual limitations. Magnifier and telescopic aids helps visually challenged people to view chalkboard and class demonstrations. The most commonly non-optical aid used by visually challenged people is Braille. It is a tactile aid which is based on sense of touch. The Braille system was developed by Louis Braille of France in 1821. He himself was a visually challenged person. Braille is an approach that enables the blind to read and write. In this, the text is printed on a thick sheet of paper in the form of a pattern of raised dots. The dotted symbols represents letters, numbers, punctuation marks, etc. There are 63 symbols or characters in Braille. A visually challenged person can feel these raised dots with the finger and recognize the letters. This way, they are also able to read the book and other text printed in Braille. Our eyes are very important part of our body. We must take a very good care of them. It is important to eat a balanced diet with sufficient quantity of vitamin A to keep our eyes healthy. Raw carrots, broccoli, green vegetables, cod liver oil, eggs, milk and milk products, fruits like papaya and mango are rich source of vitamin A. Vitamin C and E are also good for our eyes.